May unggoy na bulaw. Rab, uy, may unggoy dun, oh. Guys, may unggoy na bulaw. Ay, hindi ba nga?
Mukhang unggoy.
Kiki-swimming.
Yan. Alam mo, Rob, dapat hindi mo pinagtitripan yan ng ganyan. Hindi mo dapat tinatawag na unggoy yan. Tignan mo yung kasama mo, sabi niya mukhang unggoy. Which is different sa unggoy yan. Unggoy yan is stating na unggoy talaga. I know you're trying to be funny, pero that's not funny. Dito sa mga nanonood. Siguro nakakatawa sa'yo. Siguro dapat hindi mo na lang pinost. Kasi, kayo-kayo lang naman. Pero, pinopost mo sa social media tapos tinatawag mo siyang unggoy. I think that's very disrespectful. Yung kasama mo, sinabi niya, mukha lang unggoy. Iba ang mukhang unggoy sa unggoy. You know? Nakita ko to like, man, I don't think you should be posting that on social media. Ang tingin pa naman sa'yo ng mga tao is matulungin ka. Tapos binababa mo yung mga kasama mo ganyan.
Rab, uy, may unggoy dun, oh. Guys, may unggoy na bulaw.
Oo, may unggoy.
Ay, hindi ba?
Mukhang unggoy.
Kiki-swimming lang po.
Yeah, you shouldn't be doing that. So, yun lang naman. Nakita ko tong video na to and like, I think that's kind of disrespectful. You know? Natatawagin mo kasama mo unggoy. Like, I know it's trying to be funny. Pero sa mga audience, like, I don't think it's funny. So, yep, yun lang naman po. Peace out.